Using the Document tabs. The Document tabs gives messaging and other tools for use in the headings and sections. The first tab is the Comments tab. Comments are linked to headings and can be added to any heading in the document. Both internal and external users with access to the document are able to see comments. When a comment has been added, the user who added the comment's initials will show, and a date/time stamp when it was created. An icon will also show next to the heading in the outline tree. Next time a user opens the document, an unread comments icon will show next to the heading. It will also show in the dashboard document list. Mark the comment as actioned, and the icon will change from unread to read. Other users will also see the comment has been actioned. The next tab is the Notes tab. Notes are linked to sections and can only be seen by internal users. Click any section in the document, click the Notes tab and add a new note. When a note has been added, the user who added the note's initials will show, and a date/time stamp when it was created. An icon will also show next to the heading name. By default, all users can read the notes, but notes can be permission controlled, so are only visible to users with certain role access. If a note is no longer relevant, it can be archived or unarchived at a future time. If a note is edited, a copy is stored in history, so users can view previous versions. The next tab is the Section Properties tab. Use this tab to set heading and section-specific properties, like hiding heading names, and setting section numbering. Next is the Variable Manager tab. If the document has variables inserted in the document, they will be listed here. Variables need to be replaced before the document can be locked. See the Creating Variables video for more information. The next tab is the Section Library tab. When a template is created, all of the sections are stored in the section library. If the section is approved and ready for use, they can be included in the document. If the section is not approved, it will be highlighted red and cannot be included in the document. To view the contents of the section, click the section name link to open the contents window. There are two ways to include a section in your document. The first way is to drag an individual section, and either drop it on a heading in the outline tree, or drop it directly into the content area. This will add the section to that heading. The second way is to select a single or multiple section, and click the Add a Subheading button. This will add the section as a new heading in the document. The final tab is the Freeze tab. To freeze a section, just select the section and check the freeze box. The content will now always be visible in the tab, while scrolling through the rest of the document. To unfreeze the section, uncheck the freeze box, and the current section content will show.